Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Affirm's credit monitoring service. So let's get straight into it. So first thing you're going to do is to go to the Affirm's website, and then you're going to sign into your account, of course using your login credentials. And once you're signed into your account, you just want to click on credit monitoring, and then you want to enroll into this credit monitoring service. Next, you're going to review and understand the credit monitoring terms and conditions, because that's super useful to know. And once that's done, you just want to set up credit alerts and notifications, because that's super useful as well. And then review and understand your credit report and score, because of course you need to have that knowledge. And you can also contact Affirm's customer support for additional guidance whenever you run into a snag or you have something you don't fully understand. You could just contact the customer support, and they're gonna provide you with additional guidance. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Affirm's credit monitoring service. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.